Do you receive many inquiries about your product? Yes. There are a good number every day. You can't answer all of them personally, can you? No. Unless they're obviously important, we send back a formal letter. What did you spend all your time on today? Checking the annual report. Was everything in it all right? No. I discovered several errors. How is the mail handled? The executive secretary opens it and sorts it out. Is any record kept of incoming mail? Yes. Everything is entered in the mail register. I'd like to dictate a letter to the Reliance Company. Just a moment please, while I get my shorthand notepad. Would you also bring me the previous correspondence with them? I've already placed the file on your desk.